Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a wear test on the Milk Blur Stick Primer, which is this one right here. I actually used this for the first time on myself the other day, and let's just say it did not go so good. I don't know if it was the foundation that I was using with it, or maybe I put too much, but like my foundation started breaking up around my nose and it was just like a really bad experience. This time I'm going to use one of my favorite foundations that I know lasts me literally all day, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I actually got this in my gratis bag, and yeah, so we're going to try this out, see how it goes. If you have seen my other wear test videos, I do assume that you just kind of like put it onto your skin. This is what the primer looks like. I only did one side so like that you guys can see the difference. It softens up my skin. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. This is the side where the primer is on, and this is the side where there is no primer. You can feel something on there, but like compared to a traditional primer, it doesn't really feel like much. I don't know if I'm putting too much. I don't know like how much I need to put on. But yeah, so this is what it looks like with no makeup on, and I'm just going to put it on the other half and I'll put the foundation. What I'm going to do, I'm actually going to rub this side to see if like rubbing makes a difference, like rubbing it in. So this is what the foundation is looking like so far. This is the side that I didn't rub in the primer, and then this is the side where I did rub in the primer. I feel like this side looks better than this side. Like, I feel like this side, the foundation is literally just like sitting on my skin, rather than this side, like it looks like it's, you know, somewhat my skin. So I would recommend, as of right now, rubbing in the primer after putting it in. Because I didn't rub it in the first time I used this, and my entire face looked like this. So I was like, hey, let me rub it in and see how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup, and then we'll do like a full-on check-in type thing, you know? Okay, so this is the final look. I just did like my everyday basic work makeup routine, so nothing too special. Lip color, for those who do want to know, I am using the Fenty lipstick in Madame, and this is actually my first time using her lipstick, and it's so comfortable. Like, I'm a liquid lipstick kind of girl. Like, everything I use is liquid lipstick. I hardly ever touch a like traditional regular lipstick, but this, like, it's so comfortable. It doesn't really feel like you're wearing anything. I recommend going in with a lip liner to shape your lips first, and then going in with the lipstick, because it's a little hard to like really shape the lips and stuff. So I had to go in with the lip liner and then go in with the lipstick and then go back in with the lip liner. So, but overall, it's really good. It's really comfortable. I feel like it looks like a liquid lipstick was applied, but it's not a liquid lipstick. It's a regular lipstick. Anyway, so this is what the overall makeup look looks like. So I did contour, I put bronzer, I put blush, I put highlight, and yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of what this looks like. So remember, this side I just kind of like rubbed the primer in to my skin, and then this side I just kind of rubbed the primer, and then on this side I physically like rubbed it with my hands after applying it. My nose itches. I want to scratch it so badly. Where's my beauty blender? My fine lines are like already popping up. But I mean, other than that, it's not too bad. This side definitely looks better than this side. This side, it looks like my foundation is literally just like sitting on my skin, and I'm having like it looks like very patchy like in this area right here, and then here like it just looks really smooth and everything. It just looks a lot nicer on this side rather than this side. Is it just me? I don't know. It's currently 1:30. I would do a check-in like right before going into work, so like around 3, and then when I get out of work I will do my last and final check-in. So yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so this is the first check-in. It is currently 3 p.m. on the dot, and this is what my makeup is looking like so far. I really haven't noticed anything too crazy. I actually really like how my makeup looks right now because my skin looks really smooth and freshly applied, and I've had it on for about 2 hours already, but it looks really good so far. Let me see in the mirror. Okay, so in the mirror, I can see right here, the foundation is starting to break up around my nose a lot. And then right here, I feel like it's getting like really oily. And I feel like my texture is a lot more emphasized on this side rather than on this side. This side, it looks a lot more smoother. And the only thing is just like the foundation is breaking up into my smile lines. But other than that, we're good. Well, I'm gonna go. I'm low on gas. I gotta make it to work because I'm gonna be late. So I will see you guys in my next check-in. Hey guys, so it is currently 8:37. This is now my final check-in, and this is what my foundation slash makeup is looking like after 7 hours of wearing it. And honestly, I am not mad at it. Like, the first time I used this primer, I thought it was horrible. I'm like, this does nothing to my skin. My foundation is breaking up everywhere. But like, I don't know if it was like the foundation that I used that was bad with the primer, but like, it looks so good. Like, my skin just looks really smooth. My bronzer, my blush, my highlight, everything is still on my face. I see like a few oils broke through, but it's not a mattifying primer. That doesn't say that's gonna mattify your skin. And it's normal for oil to break through at one point. Like, you're not gonna stay matte forever. And look how my makeup looks. It's so good. So let's just do some close-ups so you guys can see what we are looking like. So obviously, like, some oil broke through, but look, everything is literally still on my skin. And I was literally riding around with my windows down on purpose to see like if the heat and all that stuff like made any kind of effect to it. And then obviously, like, my smile lines, you know, they're present and ready to show the world. But then look at this side. This side looks really good too. And I honestly like really love. I don't want to take off my makeup because I just think my skin looks really nice. I give this primer an A1. Like, the first time I used this, the primer all around my nose, like, it was just breaking up and it was really bad. But it looks really good. But I really like it. It really smooths out my skin. What I like is that when you put it on, it doesn't feel like you're putting on anything. So it doesn't feel like an extra layer on your skin. At first I was just like, fuck, like, I don't feel like there's anything on my skin. Like, how am I supposed to know? But trust me, girl, it's there. It's ready for action. It's working. So this is what my skin looks like after 7 hours of wearing it. So, and I'm not mad at it. I think it looks really good. So that primer, I give it an A because it's amazing. If you guys want to know, on my lipstick, I have not retouched it not once. And this is the Fenty lipstick from Rihanna in the shade Madame. I've been drinking water and I literally just finished eating. All I did was like line my lip a little bit, but I didn't go in to fill them in. I haven't retouched them not once all day today. So if you want to know on a wear test on that really quickly, the lipsticks are very long wearing and very comfortable to wear too. That is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget that I do upload on my channel every Tuesday and Thursday. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video.